With a new car that I've just purchased. Who am I speaking to?
Hello?
Whom am I speaking to?
It's Malcolm.
Hello, Malcolm. Malcolm, I need to complain. I've just bought a brand new 320 BMW. And in my opinion, the car is rubbish. I'm having major problems with the car and I need to speak to someone to get it sorted.
Okay,
Now, Malcolm,
one of the managers?
Malcolm, I need to speak to someone. It's going to be dark soon, Malcolm. I'm going to get stranded. Hello?
Hello? Yes.
Can you hear me, Malcolm? I just need to speak to someone regarding my complaint, please. Can I speak to you?
You can speak to me, yes.
Well, can you help me, though? Do you know the mechanics of the car?
Aye.
Do you really? Right. Malcolm, I've got a 320 BMW. It's beautiful. We chose the colour the wife wanted, the upholstery, everything. It's beautiful. It's a first automatic car we've had. I've had manual cars all my life. All my life, Malcolm. And they've been not a bother. Malcolm, I've had this car for 4 days now. And it drives perfect during the day. But it won't drive at night time, Malcolm. Hello?
Hello, yeah.
It won't drive at night time, Malcolm. Hello?
Yeah, what's your registration number?
I'm not sure of the registration at the minute. But Malcolm, I take the car and I put it in D for day and it drives perfect. Now, me and the wife's been out and we've been out later than we wanted. And I've told her, Malcolm, that we're not going to make it home for night. Now, I put it in I put it in N for night and it won't drive.
Who's calling?
Mr. McCallum. Mr. James McCallum. Now, Malcolm, why won't it drive at night mode? Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Can you hear me, Malcolm?
Aye, is this a wind-up?
No. Malcolm, I bought a brand new BMW for this dealership about 4 days ago. And the car drives perfect during the day, but it will not drive at night time. It won't drive in the night mode. I put it in the right night mode and it won't drive. Yeah. Well, what's the problem, Malcolm? Can you hear me?
I hear you, yeah.
What's the solution? Is this a common fault?
No, but there is no night mode, or day mode.
Well, what does D stand for?
To drive. Just put it to drive.
But it won't drive in night mode. I'm stranded, Malcolm. The wife and I had to get a taxi home the other night for Asda. It started up.
Tell
It wouldn't go.
Tell me daar de reason.
Malcolm. Hello?
Hello?
Malcolm, it won't drive in night mode.
There's no such thing.
And my brother-in-law come down the other day and he bought a fancy Mercedes. And he asked me, he kept goading me on, did I want a race? And I put it in R. And I shot back the way, Malcolm. Malcolm, I went through my neighbour's garden wall. At a fair speed, I can tell you. My neighbour wasn't too happy, Malcolm. And it turned night time, I couldn't drive it out. You have a nice night, Malcolm. I'm going to phone Mercedes now and complain about their cars.